This is a simple replacement. Just I ain't about to recording it. I just tested it and made sure everything's working. Here we go. It's just the rain sensor and light sensor. It's a module out of one. Well, actually, is this module and that one down there in the windshield kind of combines together for light output. Pretty much is a it's not straightforward. You pull this back and it clicks, and you pull this back. You got to move these wires around, but once you pull it, you kind of start from the edge. I'll show you on this one. I started from the edge to make sure this piece stays with the car, stays with the windshield, and this whole back panel comes off along with the board inside. I just swapped the board out and the back side out, and this is an older part, and this is if I can get it focused, is a newer part, hence the part number. Yeah, pretty much I swapped this out. This took nothing but 5 minutes, I guess, to install. And before I would get it not okay, but this would be okay. So my light sensor was working fine, but the rain sensor wasn't. So you get your thing click set on 1, and you're supposed to set it and forget it, and the speed was speed sensitive. So let me demonstrate that it's working. Ironically, it's raining, but here's how to test it and see if it's working besides from the phone. Alright, and pour it over here, and it should go. This is glass cleaner, by the way, so. Alrighty, I got a little wet, but as you see, it works, and there it is. My part, I got this off of eBay. It was used, but hey, it's whatever. It works, and if it didn't work, I'll send it back anyways. But the part was it, 25 bucks? So beats what the dealer was charging, which was outrageous. So it is what it is. I think over time it probably goes bad anyways. So oh well, I just wanted to show y'all everything's all right. So it's a code that's been in my car for the longest. I just finally got the time. Well, I got bored and remembered I needed to do it, so I did it. This right here will only be enabled if you have, like, was it the light switch that says auto on it, which I don't think these even come with our cars in the US anyways. I know the Euro cars, they got, for the rear fog lights, they got a different switch. So I don't know, but this is gonna be not installed. But as long as this and this is okay, and this is channel, I think channel 12. Oh no, it's channel 11. So yeah, it's channel 11 on the OBD for live data. And see here, that's fine. That's how it's supposed to be. Yeah, we good. We good. That's the humidity. And we're good. Yep, but that's it. That's what all the value's supposed to be. And I'm gonna get this joker replaced too. I know a cracked windshield is not a good look. I'm just deciding now between going back with the infrared windshield that the car's supposed to come with, or getting the plain clear one. The dealer I see right now, it's like I'm gonna call it $600 to get the infrared one now. Thank goodness. It was $1,000 back then. Now it's it came down significantly. Do that or get another, or get the clear one. If it's just a couple $100 difference, yeah, I'm going with the infrared one, and I deal with the consequences of, was it, my little toll pass working. I haven't even put my toll pass on the windshield yet. But just something to put out there for the group, I guess. And that's it, y'all. And y'all know how this goes back together, so I'm finna get this back together. But all right.